Hey, what's up? So, Dumptruck here, and I'm about to dive into the favorite motorcycle that I've ever owned. It's an FXR. Oddly enough, it's also the motorcycle I have the least number of miles on. Right after I purchased it, life happened, and this thing no longer ran. So, first step is to get this old gas out of the tank. And I'm just going to do it what I think is the easiest way. This is the hose that comes from the petcock on the opposite side. So it should be the easiest place for me to drain the fuel out. We'll have to see. I think I just broke it free a little bit. Literally only a little bit. Godzilla. Here we go. What's up, buddy? Well, I hope you have a lovely evening. Yeah, I'm just doing motorcycle maintenance with one hand. All right, I am joined here by the homie, Mr. Zach Walkerman. He's gonna help getting this fuel flowing a little bit. Let's see if I'm wrong or if I'm right. Go for it. Yeah. I haven't turned a wrench in a very long time. I know this is just a hose.